We already have videos on cycle from $200 up to $1,000. So with those videos, you can lay your hands on anyone based on your capital to set up your trade for cycle trading. This time around, I want to demonstrate to you, I want to share my screen and show you how you can, two ways you can set up your trade for your cycle. So don't forget, I know that you all know that, I believe you're all aware that we are working on our 20%. We are working on 20% of our capital. So please try and apply the wisdom while trying to set up your trade. So follow along. I want to share my screen now. All right. Let's go to RealQ. Okay. All right. So let's come to quantitative. Now ensure that you have balance of USDT here. If you have USDT on your Binance, it's going to show here. It's going to show here if you have balance here. Anytime you want to refresh to know whether you have balance, you click on this place to refresh. So once you refresh, it's going to show the real balance of USDT you have on your spot wallet on Binance. So first thing first, if you are a new person that just want to trade, go to your Binance, go to Binance P2P, fund your wallets through Binance P2P. Your upline is going to guide you on that. Once you fund your wallet, fund money from your bank to your Binance funding wallet. Then for your funding wallet, you share it on your, you send it to your, transfer it to your spot wallet. So that is when RealQ will be able to, the robot will be able to make use of it. All right. So let's assume that a signal has been sent to you. So you just need to come to this place, as you can see. Sorry. Okay, just need to come to this place. You can see the general here. You can see professional. There's some set of coin are here on general. Some set of coin are on professional. So let's assume we are under the general now. So now they call it coin, Acro. We search for Acro here, as you can see. What they call BTC, you search it here, BTC, under this place. All right. So, but if you find a particular coin, let's say Shiba, for instance, you can see that Shiba is not here under the general, right? Shiba is not under general. So then you can now move to under professional. Under professional, let's search for Shiba. Shiba is here. So the moment you search for any coin that has been given to you from the signal, then you tap on it. Just tap like this. Just tap after you might have searched it. Like this, just tap on this place. Tap here. Because once you tap on it, it's going to take you here. But mind you, let me go back. It is always good for you to program it down so that you won't continue to set up a trade every now and then. So for you to program it and set it before the signal is being released, or you want to set it permanently, you come to mine this time around. You come to mine. First thing first is to come to mine. And when you come to mine, you come to my strategy settings, as you can see here. My strategy settings. Click on my strategy settings. Then you're going to see add it now. Under here, you know I've added some things here, but you're going to see add it now, or you click on plus sign at the top right here. So once you click on the plus, it's going to take you here. You can just change this risk type to radical, or you leave it as steady. Then this place remark, you can say one shot. Okay. Then this place now, this is where we are now talking about. This first buying amount, what you are going to put there will determine, your 20% of your total capital will determine what you are going to insert here or type here. Let's say, for instance, if somebody has $1,000, 20% of your $1,000 is $200, right? But you're not going to make use of all the $200 at once. So because 3-4 signals can be released in a day. So you're advised to divide the $200 into 5. Divide it to 5. $200 divided by 5, that is $40. You can write $40 here. Then margin call limits, you put 1 here. Then all position take profit ratio 1.3. All position take profit. Now, all position take profit ratio, it simply means take profit that you want or that is in the signal. Let me quickly minimize and show you some signals on this thing now. All right, let me show you. Okay, as you can see, ICP USDT. Take profit here is 2%, as you can see here. COS USDT. Okay, let's search for this COS. Okay, I'm still coming to that. You can see take profit is 2%, right? Good. You now put 2% here under all position take profit ratio. Except if you decide not to take up to 2%, you may say, I don't want to take any high risk at all. One situation whereby even before the given take profits, I want to get out of market before that. So that's why you can put that 1.5 or thereabouts. So let's say 2% here. Then all position take profit ratio will be called back 1%. What's that? This all position take profit callback make RoyalQ to unique. In fact, make it far better for you to trade your signal or any type of crypto trading with RoyalQ than trading it on Binance manually. If you trade on Binance manually, number one, you are the one that will be doing the calculation of 2%. That if this coin increased from this price to this price, when is it going to give me 2%? That will be a kind of extra tax for you. But using RoyalQ, you just need to put it 2%. It is robot that will do the calculation. Secondly, the moment it's climbed 2%, if it is on Binance, it's going to sell immediately. But because you put 0.1 year callback, the word callback, meaning that even if it can, meaning that your profit can rise more than 2%, it depends on how the markets move. If the market moves to 10%, it will surpass these 2%. But anytime your profit reduces in 0.1%, that is when it's going to close your trade for you. You can listen to this record over and over so that you can be able to grab what I'm trying to explain here. So meaning that, what you are saying is that though it is 2% profits and above you want to make, but the meaning of these 2% just mean that you don't want to make profit below 2%. But any profit above 2%, you can still make it as long as the profit is still increasing in value. But the moment the profit want to reduce and reduce in 0.1, then your profits will close. So meaning that if you are trading with RoyalQ and a particular coin you are trading that you already put 2% rose to 300% without returning back at all to 300%, it's going to deliver the 300% for you. But the moment it reduces in 0.1, it's going to close it for you with around 290-something% profit. Wow, that is fantastic. That is power of RoyalQ, or power of using RoyalQ in your trading. All right. The next one is margin configuration. So margin configuration. Under the margin configuration here, you are to put false call here to be 100%. The multiple buying ratio, just put 1. We don't need this place. So why we put 100% is that we don't want it to buy under the dip at all. It's only the money we have shared or we have put under the first buying amount we want it to use. That's why we put this kind of percentage so that you never ever pick another money from our balance. So you confirm. Once you confirm that, then you come to buying callback, changes to 0.1. Then strategy period. Then this place is going to change it to 1 shot. Just click on this place, click on it, it's going to change to 1 shot. Then you save it. Boom. But if your own, let me go back here now. But if your own capital is, I just take $1,000 as a case study. Let's say your own capital is just $100, meaning that your own first buying amount here will be $20. And you cannot trade more than just 1 signal in a day because the 20% of the $100 is just $20. So you don't take more than 20% to to market or to trade at any given point in time. Before you can take another $20 from the remaining $80, it will be when, let's say, when the market has gone really far. So that's when you can take another 10, another 20% to trade. So that's that. So I think you use your discretion in this aspect now. You use your discretion in this aspect now. So when you have any capital, for somebody having $10,000, for instance, 10% of $10,000, I think that's $1,000. 20% will be $2,000, meaning that that person will have sufficient money to share into Signal in a day. So with $2,000, mean that you are trading every 4 to 5 signals in a day with $2,000. So $2,000 divided by 5, you know what that means, you know how much it is. So that is just it. So now that's that. But then you click on save here at the top right. When you click on save, then you have permanently saved it here. You can see this is it. Let me mark it. This is what I just saved now. You are permanently save it here. So henceforth, if at all anytime you want to trade any signal, you don't need to be setting it again. And let's go back there so that you can see what I'm trying to say. All right, so after setting that permanently like that, you can now come back to your quantitative this time around. When you come to your quantitative, don't forget you must have put gas fee, minimum of $20 like this. Make sure you have it on your balance. Minimum of $20 like this, make sure you have it on your balance so that robots will be able to be charging its own work, how do I put it? Its own fee, its own charges for the work done. So for the work is doing for you, so robots will be able to charge it as far as has no access to your Binance to take any money. So come to quantitative again, then search your coin. Let's now search for the coin given on the group. Let's say this is a COS, right? Okay, let's say I have $200 capital. My capital is $200. 20% of $200 is $40. So I can say COS. Okay, I'll search it. I click on it. I'll now click on trade setting. When you click on trade settings, then you come down here to choose a strategy settings. Don't touch anything above here. Just click on choose a strategy settings. Then it's going to take you to the settings you have saved. Sorry, choose a strategy settings. I want to show you how you can see that's taking you here. So you now just click on it. Boom, it's going to copy everything down here. It's going to copy everything you have set down here. All you just need to do it to save it. Then click on start. Boom, boom, and then you start your trade. Confirm it and start your trade. So that is number. Then that's $20, right? So, but I have $40 on ground to trade because my total capital is $200. I've used $20. They now send the second signal. They said the second signal is ICP. Okay, let me search for ICP this time around. ICP is not on general. Let me go to professional. Let me search it again. ICP. Okay, ICP is under professional. Then you click on trade settings. Then you scroll down, you choose a strategy settings. Then you click on one shot here. You click on the settings you want to use your program. Then click on save and open the second trade also. Boom, confirm it. It's only on when you are trading on cycle, you need to change anything here. Or trading on one shot, just leave it on nowhere else like this and confirm, start your trade like that. So that is first type of settings in one shot. Second type of settings is when you want to set margin for your trade. When you want to set margin for your trade, you can equally come to this place to come and set that second strategy to come and save it there. My strategy settings, sorry. My strategy settings, okay. So you can come to this place to come and say maximum number of strategy settings has been reached. Oh, okay, let me delete some. Okay, all right. So you can leave it in steady or you change it to radical as the case may be, as you want it. Then you can also say margin one shot. That first one is one shot directly, but this one margin one shot. So under margin one shot, you can ask, okay, this I think I have $100 capital and I need to trade with 20% first, right? Okay, and I want to trade on this one coin. I don't want to stress myself. All right, let me put $20 here. Then under the margin call, let me now put, I think 20, we can have $20 in $100, right? Okay, 20, okay, that I mean 5, right? 5, okay. I've used 120 here, it remains $80, so meaning that times 4. So 20 times 4, we still have another extra 420 times 4. This 120, then another $420. That's $80. 80 plus 20, that's $100. So 4. Under margin composition here, maybe they say the signal is 2%. I put it there. Okay, call back 0.1. The margin configuration now, and that's okay. This place will be 1, 1, 1, 1, because I wanted to take another $20 for me. But this time around, let's say this coin is bullish in this time, and I want to take advantage of it, but I want to just set it down in case of any sharp dip. So when this coin that I'm trading as one shot come down again at 10%, I want you to buy another $20 for me. When the market, after buying this one and maybe selling or not selling, but don't forget that when it buys this one here, it's going to add it up to the first 20 you bought. So making 40 together into dollar, because average it. When the market drops in 10% again, I want you to buy another 20 for me. 10% again, I want you to buy another 20 for me. 10% again, I want you to buy another 20 for me. So that will be 40%. So when you set it that way, so then you come to your callback here, it will be 0.1. Then this place also will be one shot. Then you click on save. Everything it will save here. Then you come to your coin, the coin you want to set up like that. Let's say ION. Then you click on trade settings, you come to strategy settings. Where you now get here, you can see margin, you can see margin one shot. You can see one shot. So margin one shot. When you click on margin, if it is margin one shot you want to use, and you click on it, click on choose strategy, then you choose it. Then when you get here, you're going to see how it's going to show you. Just save it. Then don't forget you want to leave it at your warehouse because it's not up to 5. Hey, sorry. You want to leave it because it's not up to 5 margin call drop, so you confirm it, then you leave it there. But this one, I don't really like it. I love this first one. Take your profit on the 20% and get out of market. So that's all, because you are going to know when to use another 20% of your money. So I advise you stick to the first strategy for now. So that is that about that for one shot strategy. I would advise you stick with the first one shot strategy. So that is that about that. Thank you. Right.